Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you curious about how much time you spend on your iPhone? Apple's screen time feature provides detailed insights into your device usage, helping you manage your screen time effectively. This guide will show you how to access and understand your screen time data. Let's get started. Open the Setting app, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Setting app. Now navigate to Screen Time. Scroll down in the Setting menu and tap on Screen Time. Next is to view your Screen Time summary. The Screen Time summary will display an overview of your device usage, including daily and weekly activity. Tap on See All App and Website Activities. Now you understand your usage. This activity summary provides insights into the time spent on different apps, categories, and websites. The graphical chart shows your daily and weekly usage pattern. Next is to set screen time limits. To manage your usage, you can set app limits by tapping on App Limits, then on Add Limits. Select the category or specific app you want to limit and set a daily time limit. In the screen time setting, you can also set content and privacy restrictions to limit certain type of content and activities. To turn off your screen time, if you wish to disable screen time, scroll down to the bottom of the screen time setting and tap on Turn off app and website activities. And that's it, guys. With Apple's screen time feature, you can easily monitor and manage your iPhone usage. By following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into your screen habits and take control of your digital well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.